Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see some simultaneous equations for two variables for 10th class. So today's topic is simultaneous equations for two variables. First of all, we define this. So what do you mean by simultaneous equations? And it is of two variables. Okay. So we know that what is equation? Equation is an expression where equal to sign came, and here the term is simultaneous equation. What do you mean by simultaneous equation? Simultaneous means we have two equations and two variables like this. Okay, x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. These are the two equations, and these are the equations of two variables. Which are the variables are there? X and y are the variables. Here x comma y are two variables, and if we have two variables and two equations, then we will give this term, we will say that term as simultaneous equations. Okay. So we have to solve these equations, and we have different types of methods to solve these equations. We will see one by one. So we will see what are the methods to solve such type of equations. Okay. So we will see the methods of solving simultaneous equations. Okay. So methods are there. So what are the methods for solving simultaneous equations? Okay. Simultaneous equations for two variables. So there are mainly two methods in 10th class. So first method is substitution and elimination. Substitution and elimination. Second method is there, equating the coefficient term, equating the coefficients. And third method is Cramer's rule. Okay, third method is Cramer's rule. We can use any method to solve such type of equations. So whenever we have given simply solve, so we will use any of the method and we will solve the difference. We will solve the method of simultaneous equation. Okay. So we will see how to solve such type of equation by substitution and elimination method, and then coefficient of equating coefficients, and then we have Cramer's rule. Okay. So first method, suppose we have some equation, solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 6. Okay. So we have such type of equations. So suppose this is first equation, this is second equation. How to solve such type of equations? So now we can see that here x has coefficient 2, here x has the coefficient 1, here y has coefficient 3, here y has coefficient minus 1. So there is no common coefficient here. So we will make common coefficient by multiplying second equation by 2. So multiply equation 2 by 2. Okay. So what we get? So we get 2x minus 2y is equals to 12, and we will subtract this equation from first equation, and subtract from 1. So now after subtraction, what we get? 2x minus 2x, it get cancelled. 3x minus 2y, so minus minus is plus, 3 plus 2, 5y, 5y is equals to, so we will subtract this, and what we get? 5y is equals to 5 minus 12, so it is minus 7, okay. So what is the value of y? Y is nothing but minus 7 by 5. So we will put this value in first equation or second equation. So what we get? So after putting this in second equation, so this y is, so x minus plus 7 by 5 is equals to 6. This implies what is x? X is nothing but 6 minus 7 by 5. So 6 into 5, 30 minus 6, 7, 23 divided by 5. So this is your x. Okay. So we have the solution, x equals to 23 by 5 and y is equals to minus 7 by 5. We will check whether we are correct or not. we will put these values in this. So both the values, if it satisfies, then we are true, otherwise we are false. Okay, so we will put this value. So x equals to 23, y equals to minus 7 by 5. So 23 minus 7, so it is 16. So 23 minus 7 is nothing but 16 divided by 5. Okay, so it is nothing but, so we have to add first of all minus plus. So 23 plus 7 is 30 divided by 5 is 6. So it is correct values. Okay, wherever we put in this we get 6. Okay, so minus plus is there. So we will take another example here using this. Suppose we have question like this: x plus y is equals to 10, x minus y is equals to 5. So 6. Okay, if we take 6, so what do we get? So here we can see 1 minus, but we can add or subtract, we can do anything this. Okay, because coefficients are same. So adding 1 and 2, what do you get? After adding 2x plus x, 2x is equals to y, we get cancel, 10 plus 6 is 16. So this implies x equals to 8. So putting x equal to 8 in 1 or 2, so what do you get? So 8 plus y is equals to 10. This implies y is equals to 10 minus 8 is 2. So x equals to 8 and y equal to 2. These are the two. This is very simple example for 2 marks in 10th class. Okay. So on the same line, if we have another system of equations which gives us different forms like this. Okay, solve. Okay, like this: 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 5, and 1 upon x minus 3 upon y is equals to 7. Okay, now but here we have two variables, we have two equations, but the form of x is very different. Okay, here, so x is power of x is not 1 here. Okay, so it is not linear equations. If we directly see, this is not linear equation, so we will convert it into linear by substituting. Okay, so we just write down these equations here for our convenience. So 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equals to 5, and 1 upon x minus 3 upon y is equals to 7. Okay, so now we will solve this example. How to solve such type of equation examples? So here, so put 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v. After putting these values, so this equation will convert into linear, and it is linear in u and v. Okay, and then after solving for u and v, we get x and y. Okay, so in this way we will solve this example. So what is the equation then? U plus 2v is equals to 5, and u minus 3v is equals to 7. So now here u, here also u, we will subtract, and then we will easily get the, so equation 1 and this is equation 2. Subtract 1 2 from 1. Okay, so what you get? You get cancel. 2 minus 3, it's 5 v is equals to 5 minus 7. Okay, so 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So what is the value of v? V is nothing but minus 2 by 5. So put v in equation 1. So what you get? So u plus 2 into minus 2 upon 5 is equals to 5. This implies, so what is the value of u? U is here 4 by 5. So what is u and v here? So what you see here, u is nothing but 1 by x. So this is the reciprocal of x, and v is also reciprocal of y. So we have to just take the reciprocal of this, and we get y is equals to minus 5 by 2, and x is equals to 5 by 4. Okay, so this is our solution. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the examples. In board exams such type of examples came, so be careful about such type of examples. So we have another method of solving such a we have another examples also, we will see one by one. So some long answer type of questions came like this. Okay, so solve, suppose 1 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equals to 8, and 4 upon x plus y plus 9 upon x minus y is equals to 12. Now here is also, there is a simultaneous equation and there are two variables, and if you solve this, so we have to just put 1 upon x plus y is equals to u, and 1 upon x minus y is equals to v, and then we will solve for u and v and we get the required answer. Okay, and after getting u and v, which is constant, some constant, so we will solve this for x and y then. Okay, so in this way we will solve the examples. So guys, this is very important thing, how to generate linear equation and then solve. Okay, so now there is one method, we will solve by graphical method also. Okay, so how to solve linear equations in two variables graphically. Okay, how to solve such type of equations graphically, we will see now. Okay, just take any one example. So we will take example like this. So 3x plus 4y is equals to 7, and 4x plus 2y is equals to 10. Okay, and we need to solve such type of equations, okay, graphically. Okay, we will take just x plus y equal to 7. Okay, for our convenience, this will be very simple. Then x plus y equal to 7 and 4x plus 2y is equals to 10. So we will just write down here this. Okay, so how to solve such type of equations graphically, we will see. Okay, we will just write down these equations here. Okay, so x plus y is equals to 7, and here I just write down 4x plus 2y is equals to 10. Okay, so now this 4x plus 2y equal to 10 is nothing but 2x plus y is equals to 5. We will take just 2 common here, and we just divide 10 by 2 and we get 5. Okay, so these are the equations. For these equations, okay, how to generate the solution using graph. Okay, and this is very important that this is a linear equation, means this is equation of line. Okay, this is equation of line, and line means geometrically what is line? Line is nothing but it is just intersection of 2 points, any minimum 2 points. Okay, there are infinitely many point line on this, but we needed only 2 points to draw a line. Okay, so this is just the equation of line, this is also equation of line. We have 2 lines here, so we will draw these 2 lines, and whatever the intersection of these 2 lines is, so that is your solution. Okay, so what is the solution of these equations? Whatever the intersection. What do you mean by intersection? Suppose I just draw another line here, and here another, this is line L, this is line M, and this point is intersecting point, it is called intersecting point. Okay, this intersecting point is nothing but solution, our solution of linear equation in 2 variables. Okay, so this is very important. We need to just draw the line, and whatever the intersection is, just see the intersection. We will write down that intersection is nothing but the solution of the given simultaneous equations. Okay, so now, so to draw a line, we have to see the points on the line. Okay, so we need 2 minimum points. We just plot the point now here. Okay, so this is x, this is y. So if we put x equals to 0, So we just take x equal to 0. So what is y? 7. If we put x equals to, so y equal to 0, we get y is 7. This is a very simple thing. Why we are taking 0 here? Because whenever we put x equal to 0, this point, whatever the point we get, it is lie on y axis, okay. And if we put y equal to 0, the point lie on x axis, okay. So it will be very easy to draw the line, okay, after taking such type of points, okay. So here also we will take same thing, x and y. We have another equation of line. So if you put x equal to 0, so what is y? Y is 5. And if you put y equal to 0, so if you put y equal to 0, so x is nothing but 5 by 2, this is 2.5, okay. Now by using this, we just draw the line now. So we will have the graph of this. So we know that x and y has lengthy values, so we will take this, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this is 7, okay, 9 10 11. So we have up to 7 value, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is 7 8 9 10, like this, okay. This is y axis, this is x axis. So now whatever the values, what is the point of x are there, x equal to 0, this is lying on this point, lying on y axis. So what is y? So 7. So this is 0 comma 7, this point is 0 comma 7, first point, okay. And now what is next point? 7 comma 0. So this will be lie here, okay. So we just join these 2 points now. So what we get? This is the equation of line. We just draw this line, okay. Now we have another equation, 0 comma 5. So if you put y equal to 0, so this is 5, okay, 0 comma 5. This point is 0 comma 5. And whenever we have 2.5 comma 0, so 1 2 and this is 2.5 here, so it is 2.5 comma 0. So we just take this, okay. So what is the intersection here? This is your intersection. How to find such type of intersection now? So whenever we don't get proper answer here, so if you see this intersection, you can observe this point is 7, okay. So we will find this intersection now. Just put this x equals to, what is x? X is 7 minus y in this equation. So what we get? 2 bracket 7 minus y is equals to, so plus y is equals to 5. So this implies, so 14 minus 2y plus y is equals to 5. So what is your y here? So minus 3y is equals to 5 minus 14 is minus 9. So y is equals to 3. So y equal to 3, okay. This is very important. See, 14, whenever we transfer here, 5 minus 14 is minus 9, and sorry, this is minus 2y plus y is minus y. So y equal to minus 9, okay. This is very 5 minus 9 and plus 9, okay. So y equal to 9. So this point is, I think it is goes upward here, so it is 9. So it is y equal to 9 and x equals to, if you put y equal to 9 here, so what you get? X equals to 2. So this is 2 comma 9. So what is the solution of this linear equations? 2 comma 9. So x equals to 2 and y equals to 9 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Thank you.